This morning we've made it all the way to New York. We rode across West Virginia, we rode across Pennsylvania, Maryland, and we're at O'Toole's here in New York. And I want to introduce y'all to someone who works on my team, and his son has just come. So this is my boy Scott right back here. He was a chief in the Navy, and he's got his boy with him right now. Come on over here, let's take a look. Scott, how proud are you of your son?
Oh, awesome. His older brother's Navy and he's Air Force, so they're both doing great.
2 boys, 2 services. You did it right, Scott.
Yeah, I think we have about 60 years of service between the 3 of us.
60 years of service in this family. That is the way it's done. And this is your daughter. Tell everybody your name. Millie. Millie, that a girl. Absolutely. So this is Scott. If you come out and see us at any of the dealerships, be sure to see my boy Scott. We call him Chief. And you can catch him at my table where we're taking the donations every day. Scott's been my friend for years, way before I ever started riding on any of the stuff with social media. He is actually one of the reasons I decided to start riding my motorcycle across the country for charity, truth be told. They're called Portuguese custard pies or cakes or something, and they're absolutely, I mean, they are the best. I've been eating healthy out here on the road, trying to lose some weight, but I'm breaking it right now for this thing, guaranteed. And I ain't sharing none with you either, Pamela.
I'm not sharing either then.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
These things are they're one of a kind, man. I love them. I can't believe you brought them for me. Haven't had them forever. Oh, it's so good.
This would be my 3rd time on the convoy. I came back again because it may be selfish to do something to feel better about myself, to help others out too, the little bit that I can.
Donations today, grand total is $1,830. Thank you. Good for either Axo front suspension or Revo rear suspension, your choice. All right, the last number is a 3. Congratulations, man. There you go.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely, man.
That's awesome.
We rode in and made it here to the Best Western Plus, Albany, New York, and this room is spectacular. I want to show it to you. It's got this cool breakfast table and a complete coffee wet bar sink, 2 beds with an epic backdrop behind them, a couple massive mirrors. How you guys doing? This one's for makeup. We won't be using that. And in here, a luxurious shower. I am ready to jump in that shower, but I wanted to show you guys this beautiful, luxurious room. I mean, this thing is massive, right? And the rest of this hotel is absolutely beautiful too. And it looks extra great with all the motorcycles parked out front. It's located right downtown on the Hudson River, in the middle of all the action where the parties happen down the square and the historic district. This hotel is located perfectly, and I can't wait to go out and explore a little bit, maybe even get a bite to eat.